everyone, and welcome to my studio. It has been a while since I have done a video for y'all, and I thought it would be fun to pop back in because I have a fabric haul to show you. Okay, so for everyone who does not know or was not familiar, the fabric company Girl Charlee has recently gone out of business, and they had a huge online and in-person sale. I wish I could have gone to their sale in LA, but alas, it's very far from here. So I did snag some fun things on their online sale. Ironically enough, this was a while ago because they had the sale, they're dealing with their warehouse closing. So the time from when I ordered to when I received the fabric, which was this week, was a few weeks. So I don't remember what I bought, is what I'm trying to say. So I have this package, and I thought it would be fun to do this video and completely open it from scratch because I don't remember what's in here. So it's just as surprising for you as it is for me. This package is a little wacky, so I'm just gonna try to cut into it without cutting any fabric. Ooh. Okay, I'm already seeing a color trend here. It's like a gift to myself that I don't remember. Okay, here's my packing slip. I bought, does it say 9 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 yards of 9 things. 1, 2, 3, 9. Yes, 12 yards of 9 things. And this was such a deal. If I remember correctly, most everything in here was like $2 or $3 a yard. All knits. Girl Charlee is known for their knits. They did have some non-knits in their in-person sale. I did not see any like that online. So, wow. I do not usually buy fabric like this. Y'all know me, I usually like to buy secondhand fabrics and stuff like that, but this kind of situation was like too good to pass up. So fabric number 1 is hearts. These cute hearts on double brushed jersey spandex. I got 1 yard of this. One thing that I've noticed recently is with my wardrobe, especially in the colder months, I want like softer things against my skin. I used to have a lot of like button-ups and stuff like that, but that's like not what I reach for, especially now since I'm not going anywhere for work. So I'm usually at home and I just want like soft fabrics on my skin. So, and my knit stash actually is pretty lacking. My goal when I approached this sale was actually to get a lot of solids. As you can see, I didn't do that well. I have 1, 2 solids, a couple stripes, which kind of count as solids. So because I get in this situation where like I just have all these prints on tops and bottoms and I am like trying to match them and it's crazy. I didn't do that well, but I got some really cute stuff. So this is just really cute, kind of cherry red, one of my favorite shades of red with hearts. This could be, it's probably going to be some kind of like fitted long sleeve simple shirt situation. It could be something short sleeve. I don't feel like I need as many short sleeve shirts. I need more long sleeve things, like cute long sleeve. It's my cute long sleeve things are very lacking. So this could potentially be that. Cute hearts brushed jersey. Next is floral cotton spandex, 1 yard. This print is obviously much more springy. It's not a double brushed, it's just a spandex knit. It doesn't have quite the softness and drapiness that this has. I love a double brushed jersey. This is definitely, you can kind of feel the print on top of it. And due to this fun, bright color print, this will probably be short sleeve, so it can kind of like transition between spring and summer and fall. Because y'all know I don't really wear sleeves in the summer, so this will not be worn in the summer. It's probably just going to be a very basic like short sleeve t-shirt. 1 yard of that. Is this in order? How helpful. Okay, this is a white cotton spandex with little flowers. I believe this looked in the pictures a little more yellow, and in person it's a little more tan, which I don't love, but I still think it'll be really cute, just basic t-shirt, probably a simple printed short sleeve tee, possibly a crop, I don't know, we'll see. I'm trying not to be in the habit of just like immediately cropping everything, so that's that. This is a rust waffle knit. This is also something that I would guess that the colors looked different on screen. The rust is a little more brown. It's not brown, thankfully, because I don't like brown, but it's not as red. It's a little more like maroony, which is fine. I got 2 yards of this because I will probably do some kind of cozy situation. If I have enough, it could be cute to do like a little loungewear set of some sort. I like this fabric because it's cozy, but it's like still light because our winters are mild. It does get quite cold, but anyway, I also like the very fall like vibes of this fabric. And like I said, I have 2 yards of this. It does not say how wide it is, but it looks to be pretty wide. Yeah, it's probably about 60 inches, so I could probably get away with some kind of 2-piece situation, possibly, if it's not too complex, which I think would be really, really fun. Okay, next is this really cute cotton spandex, 1 yard. How fun is this dot print? This is so cute. I could possibly get away with some kind of summery dress. I also thought that some of these things could potentially be used as gifts for nieces or nephews. But I really like this print, and I think it would be just a really cute t-shirt as well. Apparently I need a lot of t-shirts. Okay, that is that. And then I have this really simple baby rib jersey. It is a blend, so it's super light draped. I just thought, I looked at to be honest, I looked at the solid section. That's the first section I looked at, and it just didn't have like colors that I love, but I did think like you can't go wrong with a white rib knit. Always good to have around. Even if it just ends up being like cuffs and neck bands. It's pretty see-through, so probably too see-through to just do as like a tank on its own, unless I doubled it up. Maybe that would maybe not be too weird. Anyway, this I just felt like would be a good staple piece to have in the fabric stash. Next is another stripe, and this is rib knit as well. I got 2 of this. This I thought, obviously mustard yellow, one of my fave colors, especially for fall. I thought I got 2 yards because I assumed that this was going to be some kind of long sleeve fall-y situation. It does not have spandex. If it doesn't, it doesn't say, although it does feel very bouncy, so I might need to go back and look at the, I don't know if the information will still be on there, but super cute mustardy stripe fabric, rib knit. This is a wider rib than the other ones. This one I threw in my cart at the last minute. It is cotton spandex. I just got 1 yard. Again, this was not as, I don't feel like this was as pink on the listing as it looks in person, but I like that it's like a smaller scale print, and so it's kind of like a solid. Could be like a neutral, but I feel like my friends have been making like all of these just basic tees in fun prints to wear with like jeans and stuff, and it looks very cute, and I just wanted to jump on that bandwagon. So here we are with all of these little cotton prints that I have like 1 yard of. Anyway, super cute. Last but not least, this one might be my favorite, and ironically I used to, yes, I have actually a swatch of a very similar fabric to this on my board because I just loved it so much. It is a clip dot rayon blend jersey. I don't know if you can see the little texture. So you get this fun texture, but also it's soft and stretchy, and it does not have spandex unless it's just not listed, which is possible, I suppose. But I got 2 yards of this, and I don't know what this is going to be. A shirt, I mean a long sleeve, it seems like so much, y'all. I guess it could potentially be a long sleeve something, but I also feel like it could be like a really cute like wrap dress of some sort of situation. Jessica just posted this really cute classic wrap pattern that she has that I thought was really beautiful and simple, and I just love the texture. I just love the texture. So what's it gonna be? I don't know. I try not to buy things if I don't have some sort of idea of what they're gonna be, but I am obsessed with this dot texture, so we'll see. I will have to do some brainstorming. So that is my Girl Charlee fabric haul, my Girl Charlee closeout fabric haul. Thank you so much for popping in. I'm sorry it's been a while since I posted a video. I know you've missed me and you've been dying to know where I am. So I actually filmed this one on my phone. I'm gonna see how it goes with the quality. It might make for some easier quicker, easier filming and uploading situation, because that's usually what gets me caught up in not posting things. So all of this is going to immediately go into the washer because I'm trying to be very good about pre-washing my fabrics, and then I will categorize them in my Trello board. Check out my, did I make a video about that? I think I did. Check out my fabric organization video for information on how I organize and catalog all of my fabrics using Trello. That's it, because there's a lot of noise outside. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope to be coming back more often. And as always, happy sewing. Bye. And I got, yeah, I am. What?